Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay healthy well into their 70s and 80s, while others develop serious diseases much earlier? What if I told you that your daily habits may play a much bigger role than many people realize, alongside your genes? At this very moment, your body is constantly identifying old and damaged cellular components. Many of these are broken down and recycled, helping your cells stay healthy and function more efficiently. Scientists consider this one of the body's most remarkable natural maintenance systems. In fact, discoveries that helped explain this process earned the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. But here's what most people don't know. Many people believe fasting is the only way to activate this process. In reality, this cellular recycling system is active at a basic level all the time. Research suggests that factors such as fasting, exercise, sleep, and overall nutrition may influence the biological pathways involved. So, what is this hidden process? How does it work? And what does current scientific research actually say about supporting it? Stay with me until the end, because one of the simplest daily habits we'll discuss is also one of the most overlooked. Let's begin. The hidden battle happening inside your body. Have you ever stopped to think about what happens inside your body while you're asleep? Most people imagine that sleep is simply a time for rest. Your eyes close, your muscles relax, and your brain activity changes. But beneath the surface, something extraordinary is happening. Every second, millions of your cells carry out countless chemical reactions that keep you alive. Some cells are newly formed, while others are reaching the end of their lifespan. Every day, proteins, cellular components, and other tiny structures become damaged as a normal part of life. This damage doesn't necessarily mean you're sick, it's simply a natural consequence of living. Every breath you take, every meal you eat, exposure to sunlight, pollution, stress, and even normal metabolism can produce small amounts of cellular wear and tear. Fortunately, your body has remarkable systems to manage this damage. Instead of allowing damaged cellular material to accumulate, your cells continuously monitor themselves. They identify damaged components, break down what is no longer functioning properly, and recycle many of the resulting building blocks to support healthy cellular function. Think of it like a city. If garbage collection suddenly stopped, waste would begin to build up. Streets would become crowded, systems would become less efficient, and over time, the city would struggle to function properly. Your cells face a similar challenge. When damaged proteins and worn-out cellular components are not removed efficiently, they can gradually accumulate. Scientists are actively studying how this buildup may contribute to aging and to diseases such as neurodegenerative disorders, metabolic diseases, and cancer. This natural recycling process has a scientific name, autophagy. The word comes from Greek and simply means self-eating. But don't let the name confuse you. Autophagy doesn't mean your body destroys healthy cells. Instead, it selectively breaks down damaged or unnecessary cellular components, so many of their building blocks can be reused. It's one of the body's most important cellular quality control and recycling systems. Research that helped explain the mechanisms of autophagy was recognized with the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. But here's the surprising part. Many people have heard the word autophagy, yet very few understand what it actually does, or how everyday habits may influence the biological pathways associated with it. Some people believe it only happens during long periods of fasting. Others think expensive supplements can simply switch it on. Current scientific evidence tells a more nuanced story. Autophagy is a normal biological process that occurs continuously at a baseline level, while factors such as nutrient availability, physical activity, sleep, and overall health may influence how active it becomes. So the real question isn't whether autophagy exists. The real question is, what kind of daily lifestyle gives your body the best opportunity to support this natural cellular maintenance system? That's exactly what we're going to explore next. Why autophagy matters more than most people realize. Now that you know what autophagy is, the next question is obvious. If this process is happening inside our bodies every day, why is it so important? The answer begins with a simple fact. Your body is constantly renewing itself, and every day billions of cells die, while billions of new cells are produced. Your skin continuously renews itself. Cells lining your digestive tract are regularly replaced. Many proteins and other cellular components are also continuously broken down and rebuilt. This constant renewal helps your body function properly, but building new components is only part of the process. Imagine trying to build a new house without first removing broken bricks, damaged wood, and rusted metal. Over time, the structure would become weaker. The same principle applies inside your cells. If damaged proteins and worn-out cellular components are not removed efficiently, they can interfere with normal cellular function. Scientists are actively studying how this gradual buildup may contribute to aging, and may play a role in the development of various chronic diseases. This is where autophagy plays an important role. Rather than allowing damaged cellular material to accumulate, cells transport it to specialized compartments called lysosomes, where it is broken down into smaller molecules. Many of these molecules can then be recycled to help build new cellular components. It's an elegant system that helps maintain cellular health and quality control. Researchers often describe autophagy as one of the body's natural cellular housekeeping processes. Another fascinating fact is that autophagy is regulated differently in different tissues. The brain, liver, muscles, immune system, and many other organs all rely on this process, but each regulates it according to its own needs. That's one reason scientists continue to study autophagy so extensively. They are working to better understand how healthy cellular maintenance may contribute to healthy aging and overall well-being. However, there's something equally important to remember. Autophagy is not a magic switch. It does not instantly remove every damaged cell, and current scientific evidence does not support the idea that autophagy alone can cure cancer or any other disease. Instead, it is one of many natural biological processes that help maintain normal cellular function. The goal isn't to force autophagy. The goal is to support your body's natural systems through healthy daily habits. So what kinds of habits may help support these important cellular pathways? That's exactly what we'll explore next.
Everyday habits that may support your body's natural repair system. Now that we understand what autophagy is, the next question is simple. Can you naturally support this process? According to current scientific evidence, certain healthy lifestyle habits may influence the biological pathways associated with autophagy. However, there is no single food, supplement, or shortcut that can reliably switch it on overnight. One important habit is maintaining a balanced, nutritious diet. When we constantly overeat or eat continuously throughout the day, our bodies spend more time processing nutrients. Researchers continue to study how meal timing, energy balance, and nutrient availability may influence cellular maintenance pathways, including those related to autophagy. Another important factor is regular physical activity. Exercise does much more than build muscle or burn calories. It supports overall metabolic health and influences many natural cellular processes. Research also suggests that exercise may affect biological pathways associated with autophagy in certain tissues. Nutrition also plays an essential role. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that help support normal cell function and protect cells from everyday oxidative stress. While no single food can prevent or cure disease, a healthy dietary pattern supports long-term health. The biggest lesson is this: good health isn't built by one dramatic decision. It's built through small, healthy choices repeated consistently over time. But there's one powerful lifestyle habit that many people overlook. Even though it plays an important role in maintaining overall health and supports many of the body's natural repair and recovery processes. And the surprising part? Many people sacrifice it every single night. Let's talk about sleep in the next part. Why sleep is one of your body's most important repair tools. Now let's talk about one of the most overlooked habits for overall health: sleep. Many people think sleep is simply a time when the body shuts down. In reality, your body remains highly active throughout the night. During sleep, many important repair and maintenance processes take place. Cells repair everyday wear and tear. Hormones are carefully regulated, memories are consolidated, and the immune system continues monitoring the body for potential problems. Researchers are also studying how healthy sleep patterns may influence cellular maintenance pathways, including those associated with autophagy. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles often interfere with these natural processes. Late-night screen time, irregular sleep schedules, chronic stress, and insufficient sleep can disrupt your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. When this rhythm is consistently disrupted, many biological processes may not function as efficiently as they should. That's why health experts recommend maintaining a consistent sleep schedule whenever possible. Going to bed and waking up at approximately the same time each day helps support your body's natural circadian rhythm. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can also help improve sleep quality. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet whenever possible. Avoid heavy meals, excessive caffeine, and bright screens close to bedtime, and give yourself time to relax before going to sleep. It's important to remember that no single habit determines your health. Instead, your daily habits work together over time. Healthy eating, regular physical activity, stress management, and good quality sleep all help support your body's natural maintenance and recovery processes. In the next part, we'll explore some of the biggest myths about autophagy and discuss what current scientific research actually says. Your health isn't determined by a single meal, a single workout, or one perfect day. It's shaped by the small, healthy choices you make consistently over time. Autophagy is one of the body's remarkable natural biological processes. While researchers continue to study its role in human health, the strongest scientific evidence continues to support a healthy lifestyle as the foundation of long-term well-being. Rather than searching for quick fixes, focus on healthy habits you can realistically maintain. Eat a balanced, nutritious diet, stay physically active, get enough quality sleep, manage stress, and follow the advice of your healthcare professional when needed. Remember, one of the greatest investments you can make is in your own health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest science-based health content. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which healthy habit are you going to start or improve today? Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.